During pregnancy, good nutrition is more important than ever. To support a healthy pregnancy and your baby's development, here are super nutritious foods to eat. The first one is dairy products. During pregnancy, you need to consume extra protein and calcium to meet the needs of your growing little one. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are the best dietary source of calcium, and they provide a high amount of phosphorus, vitamin B, magnesium, and zinc. In addition, dairy products contain two types of high-quality proteins that's needed during pregnancy. The second one is legumes. This group of food includes lentils, peas, soy, beans, and peanuts. Legumes are great plant-based source of fiber, protein, iron, folate, and calcium, all of which your body needs more of during pregnancy. As you know, folate is one of the best essential vitamin Bs because it's very important for you and the baby, especially during the first trimester and even before. It prevents the development of some neural tube defects and brain and spinal cord abnormalities. The third one is sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious cooked about 1,000 ways, they are also rich in beta carotene, a plant compound that is converted into vitamin A in your body. Vitamin A is essential for baby's development, so thankful to sweet potatoes, which are an ample plant-based source of beta carotene and fiber. As you know, fiber keeps you full longer. Fiber reduces blood sugar spikes and it improves digestive healthy components. It prevents constipation during pregnancy. The fourth one is salmon. Salmon is rich in essential omega-3 fatty acids that have host of benefits for pregnant mother. They are found in high amounts in seafood, and those omega-3 help build the brain and the eyes of your baby. Plus, salmon is one of the very few natural sources of vitamin D, which is lacking for most of us, and it's important for bone health and immune function. The fifth one is eggs. Eggs are incredibly healthy foods for pregnant mother as they contain a little bit of almost every nutrient they need during pregnancy. A large egg contains about 80 calories, high quality protein, fat, and many vitamins and minerals. Eggs are a great source of choline, a vital nutrient during pregnancy. It is important in baby's brain development, and choline is also useful to prevent developmental abnormalities of the brain and the spine. The sixth one is broccoli and the other dark leafy greens. Broccoli and the dark green vegetables are packed in so many of the nutrients you need. The benefits include broccoli and other dark leafy greens contains high amount of fiber, which prevents constipation during pregnancy, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, calcium, iron, folate, and potassium. So broccoli and other dark leafy greens are bonanza of green goodness. The seventh is lean meat. Lean beef, pork, and chicken are excellent source of high quality protein. Beef and the pork are also rich in iron, choline, and other vitamin B complexes, all of which you will need in higher amounts during pregnancy. Iron is an essential mineral that is used by red blood cell as a part of hemoglobin, and as a pregnant, you need more iron since your blood volume is increasing. This is particularly important during your third trimester. The next one is whole grains. Unlike their refined counterparts, whole grains are packed with fiber, vitamin, and plant compounds. Always think oats, quinoa, brown rice, white berries, and barley instead of white bread, pasta, and white rice. Some whole grains like oats and quinoa also contain a fair amount. The other is avocados. Avocados are unusual fruit because they contain a lot of important fats or useful fat, which is called monounsaturated fatty acids. They are also high in fiber, vitamin B complexes, especially folate, vitamin K, potassium, copper, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Because of their high content of healthy fats, folate, and potassium, avocados are a great choice during pregnancy and, if available, always. Potassium, which is high in amount in avocados may help relieve leg cramps, which is a side effect of pregnancy for some women. Those are top 10 foods that are recommended for pregnant mothers. Thank you for watching and also for subscribing to my channel.